Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So some years ago I started making this specific shape of pillow and it's my dog's favorite. So I'm gonna make a new one specifically for him. I found this amazing fabric that I used before. It's sort of like a big corduroy, but it's made with microfiber, so dog hair don't stick to it, which is amazing, and it cleans super easily. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna cut out a square, just so it's more manageable. And then obviously I'm gonna use some stuffing. And here where I am, they sell this one in already made into pillows, but you can just easily take it out. So in my case, since I want to make it slightly smaller than the ones I usually make, I'm gonna cut a 1 meter square. And the fabric is wider, that's why I have to remove a strip, but I'm gonna recycle it into a smaller sort of neck pillow probably, so nothing goes to waste. So the whole idea of the pillow is that you start from a circle and you can use whatever measurement you want. You can make a small one, a big one. I usually do with about 1.5 meters. So I get a very big one, but that's because it's also super comfortable for me. It's probably the most comfortable cushion I've ever had. And so the first thing is I folded the fabric in 4, and I'm just reporting the same measurement all around with the tape measure, just so I can easily cut a circle. And as you can see, super easy. And then I'm just gonna cut out the excess. And there we go. Here's our beautiful circle. And then in my case, I'm just gonna overlock the edge. This fabric doesn't fray. It's just sort of a habit and it keeps it clean. But again, in case you use some fabric that does fray, this does help a lot. Also, I'm making a very simple version because kind of lazy, but also it works out well for me. But I'll show you later how you can make sort of a better version as well. So here I marked all 4 corners of the circle with pins. So basically the cardinal points, north, south, west, and east. And I'm putting them together in the center. So basically I'm putting all the cardinal points together in, and I'm getting a sort of a cross shape flower, kind of looks like a Chinese dumpling. And then I'm sewing all of these sort of a little petal or arms shut. I'm doing a 1 centimeter seam allowance, and I'm just sewing them with a straight stitch. I'm using a small stitch and making sure especially that the points at the center, so basically the ends, are very well stitched down, just to have some extra strength, because it has a lot of pressure on it, and this is just gonna make it last a lot longer. And that's it, really simple. The only thing you'll have to do is to leave one of them, or at least the central part of the last one, leave about a 10-15 centimeter gap, because we want to pull it inside out and stuff it, obviously. So as I was saying, this is the sort of super easy version. If you want, you could make it so that you can take out the cover basically and wash it, just by inserting a zipper either in one of the arms or alongside two of them. So basically in the center, you close two of them, and the other two you just join with a very long zipper. And you use the same measurement to make the stuffed version inside. So you can just take out the exterior and wash it. But as I said, this fabric in my case washes super easily. I just wash the whole thing and put it in the dryer. It comes out looking good and also comes out extra fluffy. So here I turned it around and I'm just stuffing it. Make sure you stuff it super well, especially next to the ends in the points. Press it very well so it's all very uniform. And here's the stuffed cushion. Now we're just gonna sew this part shut. In my case, I do it with machine. I don't really mind the look, and it's not too bad. But you can do it by hand. It's a little more invisible like that. Or as I said before, you can insert the zipper here. So basically you can open it and wash it, and you'll have an identical one inside with the stuffing. And here's the pillow done. So trust me, is the most comfortable thing you'll ever try, I'm pretty sure, because it basically hugs you from behind. And that's it. Here's an older one that I made. Needs a wash now, but it's a bigger version, so you can see it does relax after a little bit, the stuffing, until you give it a wash. So that's why you make it super stuffed, because otherwise it tends to get a little flat. And here it is. So let's see if he likes it. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.